In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar to your Wix website. Adding a search bar can significantly enhance the user experience on your site by making it easier for your visitors to find what they are looking for quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To get started, open your Wix editor and look over to the left side of the interface. Here you will see a menu with various options. Find and click on Add Apps. This section is essentially where you can browse and integrate additional features to embellish your website. Think of it as a treasure trove of functionality, ready for you to explore and implement. Once you're in the app market, you'll notice a handy search bar at the top. This is where you'll want to type in Wix Site Search. This specific app is designed to seamlessly integrate a search functionality into your site, maintaining consistent aesthetics and user-friendly operation. Once you see it in the search results, click on the app to proceed. After you've selected the Wix Site Search app, look for the button that says Add to Site. Clicking this will initialize the app's integration into your website. It's a straightforward process, and after a moment the app will be added, paving the way for further customization. Now that the app is part of your site, we'll customize how it functions. Head back to your editor and locate the search results element. Clicking on this element should present you with several options. You're going to want to click on Settings. This is where you can tailor the search bar's appearance and behavior to suit your site's needs. In the settings, there is a particular tab you should focus on, called the Show on Search tab. Clicking here reveals toggle switches next to various page types on your website. These toggles determine which types of content will be included in the search results. If you want certain pages or items to appear when users execute a search, make sure their respective toggles are enabled. This way, you can ensure that only relevant and appropriate content is served to your visitors when they use the search function. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a search bar to your Wix website. Remember, a well-implemented search feature can drastically improve user engagement and satisfaction by helping users find exactly what they need with minimal effort. As your site grows, regular updates and maintenance of your search settings will ensure that it remains an effective tool. Thank you for tuning in, and happy editing.